Is your HP printer showing an E3 error, which basically means there's a paper jam somewhere? This video is exactly for you. I'll walk you through exactly where to look and how to clear it out quickly. And if you'd rather have a one-on-one support, our expert team are available at the numbers on the screen right now. Alright, let's jump right into the solutions.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Open both the input and output tray and check for any paper stuck in them. If found, remove. Hit the power button and turn off your printer. Swing around to the back and unplug the USB and power cables. There's a part called duplexer on the rear. Push the little tabs on both sides and pull it out. If you see any paper jammed in there, gently slide it out. Grab the duplexer you took out, press the tabs on top to open it, and check inside for jammed paper. Close it back up, then roll and push the hard plastic rollers with your fingers to make sure they spin and move smoothly. Lift the printer off tray 2. Check tray 2 itself and remove any jammed paper that may be hiding inside.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.